Hey, good morning, guys. So 192 this week. I've been a little sick, and again, I injured my knee though, so I'm still getting better with that. So I haven't been exercising at all, and I lost 3 pounds. I've been doing very strict diet. I'll start posting videos on some of the secrets I've been learning and doing now. But I'm feeling really good, so check in next week.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.